You can see me good now. Oh, Jesus. So, we have a rally car.
Yeah, bro. Long story short, we got a rally car, as you can see right here.
It's a BMW 325.
We meant to show you like how we got this thing, but the footage got stolen.
I was at work, and after work I went to my car and I saw everything was just thrown around, and they took the SD card that had the footage on it. So yeah, it looks kind of like shit.
Because it is honestly, let's be honest, it is shit. We only paid 450. Suppose they don't know that. We only paid 450 bucks for it. All together. It was 150 bucks each.
Yeah. So we're gonna be pulling the motor.
It did run.
It did run.
Right when we bought it, but it hasn't ran since.
Yeah, it doesn't really run now. Well, yeah. Mostly because like literally everything. Bring that light over here. There is nothing in. I mean, just the motor now. It's just the motor in the engine bay now. And maybe tomorrow we'll be pulling that out.
Hopefully, that'd be pretty neat.
So right now we're just kind of taking off the drive shaft, all the heat shielding underneath. We got the exhaust out. So yeah. So now let's get that drive shaft off of there.
Yeah, I'll finish pulling off the. I'm pretty sure that's heat shielding. That's just rusted, or maybe it's just like flakes of rust. I don't know.
We'll pull it off.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Alright, we got the drive shaft off. Drive shaft is off. And hopefully this motor will be pulled tomorrow. Maybe.
Maybe. Is it just gonna be me and you, or are we gonna get like some help or something? Or are we just gonna get crushed by this engine?
We'll probably just get crushed, to be honest.
I mean, yeah.
So are we done?
No, we're done for today.
Alright, we're done for today. Tomorrow's a new day, and we'll get her done. We'll see you tomorrow. Alright, well, so we're at Alex's parents' house. We're picking up an engine hoist. Alex is moving the Saab there. Got my dad's truck. And we are gonna back up to the garage here and throw the engine hoist in the truck here. So that's what we're doing now, getting an engine hoist. So this is it. This is the engine hoist we need. How the hell do we do? Anyway. Oh, another dog. What's up, dude? What's up? Oh, got two. Oh, trying to eat my hand. Alright. Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna get this thing in there. This will be a challenge. We'll get it. That was actually not so bad. To Mama Jeans. So now, going to Holiday, get some Red Bull. Let's go. Okay, so he's getting gas and he's gonna get us some fucking Red Bull. and then we'll be heading home. Oh, hell yeah. That is tasty shit right there. Mm-hmm. Thanks, Alex. So we got it back to the LCC garage.
Hell yeah.
There we go. Cracking it for the man dudes.
This stuff just gets better the more you drink it, honestly.
That's so good. All right, let's pull this fucking thing out of here. That's good right there.
Yep, running over to my new extension cable.
So we got the engine hoist over here now. There she is, you know. Okay.
Ready to pull.
Pretty much, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Gather some men. I'll come back in a bit after I'm done baking cookies.
Suppose.
Chocolate chip, man. How
Okay.
can you say no?
Suppose. So right now I'm getting the engine hoist all ready to go. It's cold out right now, so we got our little buddy heater here. This is our first engine pull. Don't know how it's gonna go, but we'll get it done. So right now I'm just kind of getting it all ready. So when Alex gets back, we can pull this thing out of here. All right, so I got this thing all set up here. First time ever pulling an engine, you know. And it's not the easiest one I could pull like that. So now we just gotta wait for Alex, and this thing will be coming out. Just gotta get those two bolts off underneath, and then the engine mounts here. Well, Alex is here. Finally. It only took him about 3 hours. I'm working on getting the transmission mount off right now. I gotta use an extractor bit because I stripped out one of the nuts, and I got my hammer to hammer it on. I'm gonna get that thing off of there, and then we'll get this damn thing out of here.
Alright, so what's stuff?
That,
Yeah.
I've been using an extractor bit and that doesn't even fit on there.
Huh.
I got this one out, but that one came just fine, this one did not. So I'm just gonna try and cut it off.
So we're actually lifting it out of the car now. It's gonna be a close one, but it'll come out.
Hopefully.
I'm gonna have to do some, finagling to get her out, but
Alright, well, we got the motor damn near all the way out.
Bye.
Alex is under there.
You see me?
Barely.
Peace.
But it was getting caught on something. We could not figure it out. But there's the save cylinder. It's still connected. I didn't disconnect it. I didn't really think about that. But yeah, that was holding us up for about 5 minutes, and we finally, Alex saw that, so now we're gonna take that off.
now we're just lowering it down.
We don't-
Easier tires.
Yeah, we don't have an engine stand yet.
No.
Alright, there we go. We got her off. That's the end of the video. Just kidding, no it's not. Now that we got this damn thing out of here, now I don't know what to do now. Camera battery's gonna die. Should we say that's it for this episode?
Yeah.
Alright, that's it for this episode. Pulled the motor on the BMW. First motor pull, and we got her out. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye, Felicia.